How to make a poll on YouTube. If you're wondering how to make a poll on YouTube, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your YouTube app. So once you do that, you can see at the very bottom there's a plus sign at the middle. So go ahead and tap on that. So you can see where it says create a post at the very last option. So tap on that. So you can see there's this little poll icon here at the very bottom. So tap on that and you can just type in your question here. And you can see here where it says add poll options. So go ahead and tap on that. And we want it in text, so tap on text. And you can see there are different options right here. So press add option and you can just type in your option. So for example, and if you want more options, you can press this add other option here highlighted in blue. And you can keep doing that until you have all the options that you want. And once your post is ready, you can just go ahead and press on post right here at the top. And if you want to schedule it, you can press on this little clock icon right here. And you can select the date that you want. And the time as well. And once you're done, you can just press done right here. And then press post at the top right corner. So that is how you create a poll on YouTube.